Do girls check out guys?
Yeah, obviously girls check out them. Like check out boys, obviously.
Yeah, that's an obvious question. We do check out guys.
Okay.
Yeah, we do that.
Of course to do. Everyone checks out everybody.
Okay.
Whether it's to judge or literally
To judge. I'm talking about guys.
Yeah, we judge guys all the time.
Girls do check out boys, but not that much what boys check out girls.
Yeah, I think it's pretty natural for anyone to check out anyone. You like for girls, yeah, checking out guys, yeah.
Well, obviously yes. I guess that's a fact, right?
It's a fact.
Yeah, same here. Of course.
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Not always, yeah.
What do you say about this? Do girls check out guys?
No, not him.
Do girls check out guys?
Yeah, they do. Any girl checked you out yet?
No, I don't know.
Are you single or?
Should I have to say this on camera?
Okay, we got the answer. Don't worry, we got the answer.
Yeah, I think a lot of times when it depends. Actually, I guess girls check out both girls and guys because for me personally,
that was supposed to be my second question, but okay.
well, yeah, because I think most of the time it depends on, a personal view how a person is dressed. Because if something is really edgy or catchy, I would really it draws my attention. Yeah, I do.
Okay.
And
She don't check out anybody.
She doesn't check out anybody. Okay.
Yeah, I agree. Sometimes.
Okay, what kind of guy do you check out?
Obviously, by looks only.
Okay, what do you think about that guy?
It's okay.
He's okay. Let's do one thing. He'll pass by and let's see how you girls check out him. Okay, so other guy. What about that guy? That in black shirt. Basically. Okay, what about that guy in the blue t-shirt? यार हमारी टीम में कोई अच्छा है ही नहीं.
Sorry to say that.
And what is the thing they check out in guys? I mean, any particular area or dressing?
Dressing is a major factor. You check out a guy and if he's not well dressed, I think bye bye. I don't want to see you anymore.
Okay.
I guess hands.
Hands? Yeah. What in hands?
I like kind of judge the hands first.
Okay, what kind of hand do you want? I mean, I don't know. How she judges?
Like nails and all and everything.
So the nails should be pretty clean and
Yeah.
Did they? Oh shit! कोई और?
That was unnoticeable.
Shit! मैं भी यहाँ से कूदने वाला हूँ सामने से.
Maybe then we'll notice.
And do girls check out other girls
All the time.
all the time?
Yeah, all the freaking time.
Well, yes, you're supposed to know what's in trend, so I don't find there's any harm in checking out other girls, right? Yeah. Like,
Yeah, just in case of checking out the wardrobe and dresses and that.
Not just the wearing stuff. Okay.
yeah.
She doesn't check out anything.
Just see what they're wearing and fashion sense, etc.
Much decent.
We do check out what she's wearing and
Checking out girls, yeah, for the fashion and stuff. Yeah, you do check out girls. Okay, wow, I like what she's wearing, and yeah, maybe I could copy
I
that.
have a question. Do girls check out assets in other girls?
No.
at least I don't.
Not literally check, but yeah, there's always this comparison going on. Does she look hotter than me? Would that look pretty on me?
Maybe just the personality, the aura of the person. Yeah, you do check the.
So
it's more about the aura that the person creates rather than
No.
Really?
Yeah.
Do guys?
Yeah, obviously.
And do girls check out assets in guys? Like
No.
So what is the more
What she's
important? Like
wearing and-
To
assets?
appreciate if someone is good looking.
Okay.
There's nothing bad in that.
I think personality matters.
Okay. Personality matters
How they
more,
carry
right?
themselves.
Personality, dressing, some accessories maybe like wow, nice bag or something.
Okay. And ये लड़कों के लिए तो apply होता ही नहीं है ना. So now you know if girls check out guys and other girls. And guys, for videos like these, subscribe my channel. Click on that red subscribe button right below this video. Like this video if you liked it, and share it, comment on it, whatever you wanna do. And I'll be back on next Wednesday. Till then, stay awesome. Gaurav out.